Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Leman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2017 Pacifica just got in, and it's under $25,000. Black diamond, aluminum wheels, got quad seats on it. Here you can get a chance to look at the paint on it. Black diamond metallic. It's got stow and go, it's leather, it's heated seats, got a roof rack on it, has a backup camera. Power slider, driver side, power slider, passenger side. It's got remote start, leather interior in it, doesn't smell like smoke, rear controls for the AC. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, automatic headlamps, power driver's seat. Like I said, they're heated. Automatic air conditioning. It's got individual controls for both sides. Heated seats. AM, FM, Sirius satellite. Got 18,600 miles on it. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Leman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me, give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.